Namaskar friends. First of all the students congratulations because complete 11 science and enter the 12 science. In this lecture we have discussed the subject mathematics in 12 science maths textbook of first chapter relation and function. We have already studied this chapter in 11 science also, right? And now we discuss in detail in this chapter. But first we clear the concept of 11 science. What's the meaning of relation and what's the meaning of function? Right? Now look here. Here the basic concept of the relation is what? Basic concept. We have studied 8 standard topic set. You have studied this one. Right? Then another topic, Cartesian multiplication, Cartesian product, Cartesian multiplication or Cartesian product. We start Cartesian product and then after goes to the relation and function. Right? So first we clear the concept of 11 science, then after goes to the 12 science. Okay? Now look here. First we give the example. Suppose A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to another set A, B. Here we have total 2 set. A equal to 1, 2, B equal to AB. Number of A, here we write here. Number of A equal to total 2 elements. Number of B also 2 elements. Right? Now we find A cross B. It is called Cartesian product, cross product, Cartesian product. You have studied also 9th standard. Now Cartesian. First pair 1A. Second pair 1B. Third pair 2A. Fourth pair 2B. So total 4 order pairing A cross B. Here we write the formula. Our formula, number of A cross B equal to number of A into number of B. Right? So 2 multiply by 2, answer 4. So number of A cross B, total 4 order pair. Clear? Okay. Now next step, number of subset. In a set theory, 8th standard, 9th standard and 11th standard also. Number of subset. Formula is what? 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n. This is our formula. Find the number of subset 2 raised to n. Here n equal to number of elements in each and every set. Right? We have find the A cross B subset. Here A cross B total 4 order pair. First, second, third and fourth. That means 4 elements. Okay. So put here n equal to 4. So 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. So A cross B has 16 subset. How many subsets? 16 subsets. Now we write all the 16 subsets. All the 16 subsets. Look here. First, write all the subset. First one 5. Start first 5. Then 1 order pair. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Okay. Now we take the 2 order pair. 1A, 1B. 1A is fixed. 1A, 2A, 1A, 2B. Right? Here 1A is fixed. 1A, 1B, 1A, 2A. Right? And 1A, 2B. Now 1B is fixed. 1B, 2A, 1B, 2B. Now 2A is fixed. 2A, 2B. We take the 2 order pair. Now we take 3 order pair. Right? Look here. 1A, 1b and 2a. Again 1a, 1b fixed. 1a, 1b and 2b. Now 1b is fixed. Otherwise 1a is also fixed. Again repeat. 1a, 1b, 2a. 1a, 1b and 2b. Right. Now 1a is fixed again. 2a, 2b. 2a, 2b. Now 1b is fixed. 1b, 2a and 2b. Okay. And last one, all the order pair A cross B. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Right? Total 16 subset possible. This is an empty subset, empty set, universal set. Right? Okay. Now you can draw total 16 Venn diagram possible. Here total 16 Venn diagram possible. You can draw any one. Suppose we draw here 1, 2, A, B. Set A, set B. Here 1B. This order pair, what's the meaning of this order pair? Here the order pair is the meaning of 1 is the relation to B, relation for R. Capital R is the symbol relation, right? Here 1 is the relation B. Here not two relation A here. In this curly bracket, only one relation to B, not two relation B. Otherwise two relation A, right? Okay. Now in this curly bracket, 1, 2, A, B, 1, A, 1, B, 2A. Right? So here the meaning is this one. 1 is the relation to A, 2 is the relation to B. Right? 1A, 1 the relation of A, 1 is the relation of B and 2 is the relation of A. This is the symbol of relation. Here. The Venn diagram. So total 16 relation possible. Here the concept is A is null, not a null set. B is not a null set. Remember here. So here we find the relation. So our first formula. So total 16 relation possible. Yeah. So our first formula, total number of relation. Our first formula. How is it possible? Number of relation. Formula 2 raised to number of A cross B. 2 raised to power exponential power A number of A cross B. That means if we take number of A is M, number of B is N, number of elements, right? So number of A cross B equal to Mn, because number of A into number of B, put here M and N. So our number of relation formula 2 raised to Mn. Is that clear? So to put here N equal to number of A cross B is 4. So 2 raised to 4, 16 relation possible. Here the number of relation formula. Right? So this is the important formula. First one, number of relation 2 raised to number of A cross B. We put here Mn. Right? Clear? Okay. So number of relation complete. Now we goes to the function. Function. Now what's the meaning of function? Our 11th science concept is what's the meaning? Look here. Here we have total 2 set A and B. First set is called domain. Second set is called codomain. So, right? Okay. Here the domains element 1, 2. Codomain element AB. Right? Domain elements has only and only one relation. And each and every elements get one and only one relation. It is called function. Now look here. First one. This is one empty relation. So this is not a function. Right? Okay. Now 1A. Look here. 1A. So 2 is remaining. Our concept is what function? no one elements can remaining in domain. No one can remaining here. Each and every element relation to codomain. But here 1 is the relation to A, but 2 is not relation. And exactly we get only exactly one relation. Here 1 is relation to A, right? But 2 is not relation A or B. Okay, so not a function. Okay, another 2A. 1, 2, A, B. So 2A. 1 is remaining. Not possible. So this is not a function. Right? So here again this one. 1, 2, A, B. 1A, 1B. It's not a function. Alright? 1A, 1B. Not possible. Because here more than one relation. F1 answer is A, F1 answer is also B. Not possible. Our concept is what? Domain. In a domain, each and every element one and only one relation. Here, two relation. Right? So this also not a function. Okay. Now we draw the function figure. Okay. Now 1A to B. This one. First figure. A, B. 1, 2, A, B. 1A, yeah, 2B. This is a function. Look here. Each and every element use it. One and only one relation. This is a function. Okay. Now 1B, 2A. Again. A, B. 1, 2, A, B. 1B, 2A. Yeah, function. Now 1B, 2B is not possible because possible? Check it. A, B. 1, 2. A, B. 1B, 2B. Possible, yeah. Codomain elements remaining is not important. But domain elements, no one can remaining. Right? Each and every relation is possible. A and B. First 1A completed. 1B completed. Right? 1B, 2A. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now 2A, 2B is not possible because more than one relation. 2A and 2B. Yeah. 1A, 1B is also not possible. Okay. 3 pair is not possible. 1A, 2A, 2B is not possible. This one is also not possible. Because 1 is relation to B, 2 is relation to A, but then 2 is relation to B. Now, any one pair remaining? 1A, yeah, this one is possible. 1, 2, A, B. 1A and 2A. Right, this one is also possible. So, total 4 function is possible. Number of relation total 2 raised to m and 2 raised to 16. But function is possible only 4. Only 4. Function is possible. So now formula. Total number of function. Formula. Total number of function. Total number of function. How is it possible formula? Number of codomain power raised to number of domain. Number of codomain raised to power of number of domain. Here number of codomain is 2. Right? And number of domain is also 2. So our answer, we write here 2 raised to 2, number of codomain 2, number of domain is 2, so 2 raised to 2, answer 4. That means total 4 function is possible. We take also another example. Number of domain and codomain are different. And also explain how is it possible function. Right? Okay. So our formula, second formula, total number, find that MCQ. Most important MCQ. Total number of function, number of codomain raised to number of domain. Is that clear? Okay. Now we goes to the 12 signs. Types of the number of function. Here we raise this one. Types of the number of function. In your textbook, chapter number 1, we start the topic function. We have not discussed the starting exercise up to exercise 1.1 because up to exercise 1.1 completely new topic. And after complete the exercise 1.1 relation and function is that you studied already in 11 science. Okay, so we start complete exercise 1.1 new topic, this one. Clear? Okay, now types of function. Types of function. How many types of function? First one, one function. Right? Look at your textbook. One function. First one is important. Second one, many one function. One function. Second one, many one function. Third one, onto function. Injective function, surjective function. Injective is one, surjective is onto. Right? Second name also. And fourth one, inverse function. Fourth one, inverse function. Total 4 function is possible in your textbook. First chapter, one function, many one function, onto function, inverse function. One function, second name injective, onto function, second name surjective function. Is it clear? Here we explain one, many one, and onto. Look here. Look 4 figure. Now how is it possible one and onto many one? Look. First figure. Carefully. First figure. Here F1 answer. F1 answer A. F2 answer B. Right? Second figure. F1 answer B. F2 answer A. Right? F1 answer B. F2 answer B. A. Third figure. F1 and F2 both are answer B. And F1 A, F2 also A. Right? Okay. Here different value. Look here. Different value and different answer. Different value, different answer. Again, different value, different answer. Different value but same answer. Different value but same answer. So our concept is one value, one answer. One value, one answer. That means different value, different answer. Look, different value, different answer. It is called one function. Different value, different answer. One function. So we write here different value, say x1, x2. Again, x1, x2 also. Right? You can say anyone, x1, x2. Different value, different answer. Fx1 is not equal to fx2. If you take different value here, x1, x2, so different answer. It is called one function. One value, one answer. One value, one answer. Different value, different function. Different answer. It is called one. So first one and second one both are one function. Right? And here different value but not answer different. Answer same in both the function. It is called many one function. Many one, that means many values but one answer. Different values but same answer. Okay? So here x1 is not equal to x2. Different values but same answer. Okay? Different value but answer same. It is called many one function. And different value, different answer. It is called one function. Suppose here you can write also equal value. Suppose equal value. So equal answer. Different value, different answer. If we take equal value, x1 and x2 equal, so answer also equal. It is called one function. But many one is different value but answer same. It is called many one function. Is that clear? Look your textbook definition, 6 to 7 page I think. Page number 6 or 7. Look. Okay. Now we discuss onto function. Onto function. One completed, many one completed, now onto function. Okay. Now look again 4 figure. Here, this is your range. F1 answer A, F2 answer B. So in first figure, range that means answer. You have studied 11 science. Range equal to AB, answer. right? So range and codomain are equal. Here range again AB answer. So range and codomain are equal. In here answer F1 answer B, F2 answer B, but F not anyone answer A. So here range of function is answer only B, only B. So is not equal to codomain because codomain is A and B, but range is answer is only B. Okay, here answer is A and codomain different. Codomain is AB. So first two look here. Range and codomain are same, and last two range and codomain are different, not same, right? So what's the meaning of onto function? This one say onto. So when range and codomain are same, range and codomain are same, it is called onto function. If range and codomain are different, not equal, that means we can't say onto function, right? So this one is surety. Range and codomain are equal, say onto function. If range and codomain are not equal, never we can say onto function. Is it clear? So here we discuss in this lecture number of relation, total number of relation, number of function, total number of function, and types of the function, one, many one, onto, and inverse function discuss in next topic, right? In next lecture also. Here, okay, and also we prove one function and onto function. Total, how is it possible? How many functions? Total number of function on one and onto function, how is it possible? Is also give the formula. Is that clear? Okay, now we discuss in next lecture topic inverse function, right? Now in your textbook, look your textbook. Total 4 figure is given. Total 4 figure is given, right? Now we draw the 4 figure. First figure A and B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your textbook example. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, 1 relation to A, 2 relation to B, 3 relation to D, and 4 relation to C. Now decide 1, many one, and onto. Which are possible? F1 answer A, F2 answer B, F3 answer D, F4 answer. Different value, different answer. That means 1, 1 function. Okay? But onto is not possible. Your 1 is possible, but onto is not possible. Why? Because our answer range of F is here. Range of F A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And codomain is A, B, C, D, E, F are not equal. So range and codomain are different. That means not a onto function. Right? 1 is possible because F1 answer A, F2 answer B, F3 answer D, and F4 answer C. Different value, different answer. It is called 1. Okay, second figure. A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. F1 answer B. F2 answer B. F3 answer C. F4 answer D. Now here 1, onto, many one. Whichever is possible. F1 answer B, F2 answer B. Different value, same answer. So not possible 1. It is called many one function. Okay. Onto is possible? No, because our range is only B, C, D. Our range is only answer B, C, D. And codomain is A, B, C, D. E, F is not equal. So this one is many one function and not a onto function. Clear? Okay. Now look third figure. A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C. 1A, 2A, 3B, and 4C. Look here. Different value, but answer same. Many one function. Right? Different value. F1 answer A, F2 answer B. Sorry, F1 answer A and F2 answer A. Different value, but same answer. X1 is not equal to X2, but answer same. Fx1 equal to Fx2. Different value, but answer same. It is called many one function. Our concept is different value, different answer. It is called many one function. It is called one function. But different value, same answer. It is called many one function. Okay? Now on to. Our range is A, B, C and codomain are also A, B, C. So range and codomain are equal. So it is called onto function. Clear? Okay. Now fourth figure. Draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. One relation B. Right? One relation B. Two relation C. Three relation A. Fourth relation D. Look here. F1 answer B. F2 answer C. F3 answer A. F4 answer C. D. Different value, different answer. That means 1, 1. And our range is A, B, C, D. And our codomain is also A, B, C, D. So codomain and range are equal. So it is called onto function. So this last figure is 1, 1 also possible and onto also possible. Right? Clear? 1, 1, onto, many one. And next lecture discuss inverse function and total number of 1, 1 and onto function formula. Okay? Thank you very much.